Hey guys, and welcome to another video by Blissful Techno Health. This is a quick short video on how to set a static IP address in Windows 7. Super easy. There's a variety of reasons why you might want to do this if you're using your home computer as a quote-unquote server for hosting information or whatever. This is how you do it, alright? So, go over to Control Panel. This is Windows 7, so Control Panel, Network and Internet, Network and Sharing Center, change adapter settings, okay? Find your network adapter that you are using that's putting you on the network. Right now, I'm using a wireless network connection, okay? If you're plugged in, you're going to want to do it on your local area connection with whatever your network controller is, okay? So I'm using this Intel dual band wireless to get me on the network. So I'm going to right click on that device and I'm going to come down to properties, okay? In properties, I need to find the Internet Protocol version 4 or TCP IP v4, okay? And highlight that, make sure you select that and go to properties. And now it's going to allow us to assign it an IP address. Okay? So you can assign it whatever IP address you want. Now, I forget what my network is. Okay? So, for example, if I want to set mine to a specific IP address that will always be remembered on the network, so that it will never change. My current one is already 192.168.50.96. If I want to keep it that, just because I don't want my IP address to ever change from the DHCP server, then punch that in here. Hit Tab. It's going to automatically fill in your subnet mask. Your default gateway. Okay, so your default gateway is your router. Okay, that's creating the network that this computer is on. So if you're at home, typically it's just going to be your home modem / router combo, or if you have a modem and a router, separate devices. Whatever the IP address of that router is what you punch in there. You can see mine here. The default gateway is .50.1. The most common you will see in a home environment is 192.168.1.1 or .0.1. Okay, and the way you find that out is if you come to Start, come up here into your search area, bar, whatever you want to call it, type in CMD for command. You can see that brings that up here. Click on that. Type ipconfig. That gives you all this information. Okay, so you can see here now my default gateway 192.168.50.1. Okay, so there's that. That sets my default gateway. Now, you have your DNS servers. This is how I set mine up. This is how you should set yours up too. Your DNS server is going to be the same as your gateway for your preferred DNS. If you're using a home network, that is. Okay? If you're at home or a small office, typically this is how you want to do it. And then for your secondary, you can either get the information from your ISP for a DNS server from them, or the best way to do it is just use a Google DNS server is your secondary. Punch all that in, hit OK, and now that IP address will stay with this information. It will not change unless you tell it to, or tell it to obtain an IP address automatically. Bam! That's all there is to it, you guys. Super easy thing to do. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below, or if you're using different environments. But I appreciate you guys' support. Please be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.